Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Simple Car Guy channel. I'm just gonna try to make a quick video about cleaning leather seats. I've made one before using a chemical product and all that stuff, and it worked a little bit, but not really. As you can see, this is a convertible car, so when you drive with the top down, a lot of the dirt and dust and all that stuff gets on the seats and it just kind of cakes in. Very, very difficult to clean. Like if you look from a distance, it doesn't look so bad, but then when you get close, it's really, really bad. A buddy of mine recommended a very simple solution. It's just a brush attached to a normal handheld drill. This is not even a powerful one, but it does the job. And soapy water. It's literally just water with dish soap, a few drops of dish soap, and then you mix it up, and that's it. I have tried it already on this piece right here. So this is before, this is after. It can still maybe use a little bit of cleaning, but it definitely makes a huge difference, at least in my eyes. Let's get cracking on it and see if it's worth our time. So it's been about 5 minutes with that gel over there, and a little bit of soapy water. Let's see the result. So I'm just gonna rip this off. This kind of came off as I was working on it, but I think we can clearly see the difference. Wow, that's a lot of stuff that didn't come out with any of the leather cleaners that I tried or anything else. Of course, this will have to be repaired in a different way, but as far as cleaning, I think this is pretty clear. It's a good way to do it. I will put some leather conditioning on it after I'm done with the entire seat. This was just more to show, the difference. And it's not like, I'm faking it. That's how it is. Finish the driver's seat. It looks much better. Of course, it still needs a little bit of love. I'm gonna put some conditioner on it, and I'm gonna get a dye paint type of thing to cover this up and see how that works. Just want these seats to basically look brand new. Next up, I'm just going to do the same thing on this one right here. I'll show you a little bit closer to what I'm actually doing. It's very simple, but just wanted you to see it in action. So the technique is obviously very simple. Spray some soapy water. You can use a cleaner too. I just didn't want to damage the paint on or the dye on the leather, and go to town. And then just wipe it clean. And there's already a difference. So I'll probably do that one more time and that's it. These I got on Amazon. They were, I think, $12 for 8 different ones with some other attachments as well. I would go for the softest brush that you can find. Those work the best and they're not gonna scratch your leather. Well guys, this is a quick and dirty way of getting your seats much cleaner. I wouldn't recommend doing this on a brand new car or where the seats are just a little bit dirty. you can use a Lexol cleaner solution or something like that to just get them cleaned up. But in my case, the car has over 115,000 miles. A lot of them were, without a roof. So a lot of dirt and grime gets into these seats. And after spending not that much time, they look much, much better. I put a little bit of conditioner just so that, it stays nice and soft and luscious. But, this one was really bad. It was just caked under, and take a look at it now. It's looking much, much better. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that helps you with your own project. I'll see you in the next one. If you know any other detailing tricks that I can do at home without spending a lot of money, let me know.